Mag-a-apply na lang po ako sa DPWH. So, okay ang bigayan natin. Bagay pala sa akin yung ano eh, hardy hat bro. More convenient, lalo na pag merong mga kids. Kaya akong DPWH bro. Is the cheapest townhouse. So, starting price po nila. Guys, magandang hapon. Marvin Uy po ulit, your Calgary Realtor. And today, nandito po ako ngayon sa community ng Chelsea, sa Chestermere, Alberta. And kung mapapansin niyo po guys, marami pang ginagawa dito. So, itong land na to, gagawin pa siya. Tapos, itong area na yon gagawin pa din siya. And I'm currently here po sa Trico Homes. And kung mapapansin nyo, meron akong helmet. Kasi mag-a-apply na lang po ako sa DPWH. Kasi mukhang mas ano po dun eh, mas okay ang bigayan natin dun kaysa sa pagiging realtor. De, joke lang. So anyway, as of the moment, correct me if I'm wrong guys, I think this is the cheapest townhouse in the market right now. So starting price po nila is $430,000. Yes, narinig nyo po, $430,000 po yung starting price po nila. And this particular unit has a single car garage. Ito po yung garage niya. So pagpasok po natin, harap ko yung camera. So ito yung magiging itsura niya. So ito yung garahe. And then second level, that will be the living room and kitchen. Third level will be the bedrooms. So ito po yung area. So na pa kino-construct. So yun po, that will be 17th Avenue. Tapos dire-diretso na siya going to Costco, East Hills, and Walmart. Let's go inside. Again, Trico Homes. So pagpasok po natin, nandito po yung ano to, utility room or mechanical room. And pagpasok natin dito guys, iharap ulit yung camera kasi nandito yung tropa natin, si Paring Sam.
Hello, kumusta?
So, siya po ang area sales manager dito sa Trico. And Sam, magkano bang starting natin for the townhouses here?
Yes, ang starting natin is $430,000. Kasama na lahat nun. Appliances, blinds, tapos may dalawang garahe ka na. Pwedeng tandem to. Tapos, ang kwarto natin, 3-bedroom na pataas.
So, 2-car garage?
Yes, may option ka. Ito kasi ginawa namin opisina for now.
Right.
Yeah. Pero pwede itong tandem na
Right.
makapark ka ng dalawang sasakyan dito.
Gotcha. So, itong office na to guys, nakikita nyo, this will be a parking lot. So, tandem siya. So, 2-car garage.
Yes.
By the way, parang isa, meron ba tayong mga promo dyan? Napansin mo, meron akong helmet yan.
Oo, ganyan.
Apply akong DPWH, bro.
Maganda yan.
Oo nga eh. So, meron pa tayong mga promo running right now with Trico Homes?
Yes, may mga promo tayo. Ang kagandahan ngayon is may option ka to have 10,000 discount dun sa purchase price mo, or you can use that 10,000 to free. Kung gusto mo mas magandang mas magandang mga appliances or yung mga finishing, you can use that towards
perfect. So yun guys, so na-meet natin si Paring Sam. So if you have any questions, let us know. Alright, kung bibili kayo ng townhouse and if you're interested sa mga townhouse dito sa Chestermere, Alberta, sa community ng Chelsea. By the way, meron pa tayong Huxley, right?
Yes, so mag-open kami ng bagong community. Huxley, it's 5 minutes away from here sa Chestermere. It's considered Calgary pala. So kagandahan naman sa Huxley, we're selling front drive, Gainom. Ang lapit sa Costco, sa Walmart, just like a meter away.
So guys, abangan nyo yung video na yun kasi magko-collab ulit kami ni Paring Sam probably in 3 weeks from now kasi ginagawa pa lang siya. Alright, so akit muna ako sa taas.
Ready?
Alright.
See you guys.
Alright guys, so ngayon, ito yung magiging hagdan mo pagpasok dun sa main entrance right here. And then, akit tayo sa taas. So pag akit natin sa taas guys, nandito yung washroom. And then, na-mention ni Sam, kasama lahat yung blinds. So itong blinds na to, zebra blinds, kasama yan sa price ng property. So usually, additional niya, nasa 3,000 to 4,000 ang presyo niyan. And then, ito yung half bath. Meron tayong salamin. Nandito yung ating toilet. And then this one will be your storage room or storage area. And then, pasok natin dito. This will be your kitchen area. And this will be your pantry. Right here. And lahat soft close, guys. So, most ng brand new properties ngayon, soft close na siya. And then, this could be another pantry as well. Tapos, lahat stainless steel appliances. Meron tayong malaking window for more light coming in. Tapos, yung color palette nitong property, or nitong unit na to is more lighter. Tapos, ito yung ating, yan. Alright, ano parang Sam? May add ka pa?
Standard appliances, walang extra cost yan. Ang kagandahan pa dito sa unit na to, we're selling the showroom. So sa mga investor dyan na naghahanap ng leaseback, we're selling this show home for $439. Basically, mangyayari, mag-stay pa rin kami rito, babayaran kayo ng Trico Homes monthly. So it's good for investors.
Alright guys, so sa mga investor clients dyan, if you're interested on buying their show home with the lease back, contact us down below. Alright, let's continue to the tour.
Alright, if you guys wanna check itong balcony natin, ang maganda pa rito sa showroom tsaka yung mga quick possession na binibenta namin is you'll be facing into the green space. Ito is a walking trail going to the pond and playground.
Right.
Yeah, may school din na gagawin doon. So it's nice kapag bumili ka ng unit dito, pwede ka maglakad going to school or you know what, kapag may mga aso ka, diba?
And hindi pa sila tapos dyan guys. Finish pa yan.
Yes.
Hindi pa tapos yan, pero nalagyan na ng asfalto. So, dalawang model to guys. So, meron tagusan doon. So, haharangan niya once this is sold with the new owner. So, continue tayo sa taas.
Yes.
And by the way pala, Sam, meron kayong bagong product, right? 3 bedrooms.
Yes, so itong model na to, what you see right now, it's standard finishing. Sa taas, dalawang master to. But some client gusto nila mas maraming kwarto. So instead of doing 2 master, yung isang master, hati natin sa dalawa. So you can have like 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms. So which is more convenient lalo na pag merong mga kids kasi kailangan nila or gusto nila may sarili-sarili silang rooms for themselves. Bagay pala sa akin yung Hardy Hat, bro.
Ako hindi ko kailangan kasi kailangan.
Alright, continue to the tour, brother.
Okay, so ito yung titawag nating master bedroom number 1.
Alright.
Again, the good thing about Trico, hindi kami nag-cheap up sa materials. Kung makita nyo naman, ang laki ng bintana.
Right.
And
Tapos yung blinds, kasama yung blinds.
So here you can fit like a queen size bed.
So itong bed na to, anong size nito?
I think that's a double. I'll
Double?
check. You have the walk-in closet here.
Alright.
Next
Tapos
to
may
the-
blinds na rin, no? Tapos may window. Malawak din yung niya, oh. Walk-in closet. Tapos, dahil nga 2 bedrooms to, meron din siyang each of their own washroom.
Yes, hindi mo na kailangan makigamit.
Mm-mm.
Sarili ka. So ito, double sink na siya. Stand-up shower. Tapos may shelving ka na.
Alright, perfect. Let's move on to the next one. And then, washer and dryer, nasaan?
Yes. So, ang kagandahan dito, yung location niya, taas na. Ito na siya.
Ah, nandito.
Kasama na rin yan yung appliances.
Oo.
So, lahat ng appliances kasama na.
Perfect. Tapos itong side na to, ito yung
Closet.
linen closet.
Yung mga towel, yung mga bedsheet, yung mga
Mas gusto ko talaga yung ganitong sliding kasi nakakatipid sa space.
yes.
Yeah. Kesa dun sa butterfly.
This
Alright.
one, I would say this is a queen size bed.
Mm-mm.
Again, same concept, may sarili siyang banyo and may sarili kang walk-in closet.
Alright, sige, tingnan natin yung banyo niya.
So,
Nandito
medyo
yung...
different siya. Instead of a stand-up shower, you have tub shower.
Oh, meron siyang tub. So, instead of stand-up shower. So, ganun yung sa lahat ng sa
Yes.
lahat ng model.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you have an option kung instead of dalawang master, pwede
Pwedeng-
isang master ka na lang tapos
Basta dalawang.
small.
And then, washroom. Meron pa ring washroom.
Yes.
So, ito, malaking window din, guys. Tapos, kasama na rin yung zebra blinds. Kasi, mahal yan.
Yes,
Asa at
yeah.
least 3,000, 4,000. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Mhm.
Right? And then, walk-in closet. Right there. So, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And we're more than happy to serve you guys.
Alright, you guys.
See you in the next video.